Experiencing problems with your Rogers Hotspot on your iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. This section will quickly address the common causes and provide immediate steps to get you back online. First, ensure your Rogers data plan includes hotspot tethering and that you haven't exceeded your monthly data allowance by checking the My Rogers app. Then restart both your phone and the device you're trying to connect. Finally, confirm that Personal Hotspot is enabled on your iPhone under Settings, Cellular, Personal Hotspot, or Mobile Hotspot and Tethering on your Android under Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. If these simple steps don't resolve the issue, move on to the next section for more advanced solutions involving APN settings. If basic troubleshooting like restarting devices and checking data allowances didn't resolve your Rogers Hotspot issues, incorrect access point name settings are often the cause. The APN acts as the gateway connecting your device to Rogers' data network. The APN is essentially the address that allows your device to access Rogers' mobile data services. Incorrect settings can block hotspot functionality. For iPhones, navigate to Settings, then Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and Cellular Network. Set the APN field to internet.com and leave the username and password fields blank. On Android devices, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. Add a new APN or edit the existing Rogers APN with these details. Name Rogers, APN internet.com, MCC 302, MNC 720. Save the settings and restart your hotspot. If issues continue, try the Hotspot Optimizer feature in the My Rogers app or contact Rogers support at 1-888-ROGERS-1. Also, remember that network congestion during peak hours can impact performance, so test during off-peak times. Looking ahead, Rogers plans 6G compatibility by 2027 with AI-driven auto-configuration to resolve APN problems automatically.